Hello teachers, today I am going to discuss intermediate level class 105 project solution, save electricity. The goal of the class is, in class 105 you recalled all the UI components used in Thunkable, and you also learned what a switch is and how to use a switch in the design of the app. In this project, you will have to practice and apply what you have learned in the class and design a smart energy app for your bedroom. Always encourage your students to read the story so they have a better understanding as to what they are going to design. The story is, in the class you have learned to design the screen of a smart energy app that calculates the total units of the appliances in the bedroom. As a project, you will have to design the same smart energy app for your bedroom, which has appliances such as a tube light, a fan, and a bulb. Students are requested to open Thunkable, log in with their respective credentials. They can click on this link that has been provided to open a Thunkable. Once they open, this is how it is going to show, and they will have to use the click to remix option so that they can start designing the application. So once this is done, it is already mentioned specific tasks to complete in the project. So we have to understand the design. Now every statement that has been mentioned here in the project document is referring to what you have to design and how you have to design your application. So it says rename the screen as screen energy bedroom, set a background color, and there is a hex code given here. Okay, let's understand this. So okay, now here is your screen energy bedroom. Okay, now in the screen energy bedroom, on the right side in the properties section, when you click on the background color, the color palette, here is where you have to put the hex code. Okay, so do you should know that where the hex code is used. Now let's understand that how our first screen has been designed. So screen energy bedroom has a label in it which is renamed as label title. So each time the student has to refer to the document, here is the label title. Here are the changes with the properties that they are supposed to make with the pixels, with the color. The hex code is again given. What is written in the text. Everything is mentioned. Then it has a row which is renamed as row bedroom. A row bedroom has an image wherein it is like there is the image of the bedroom which is uploaded. See, add a row and name it as row bedroom, and here are the properties that you have to make changes with. Then once the row bedroom is done, there is another row which is your row switch. So in row switch, they are supposed to use the switch component. Now, row switch is divided into three columns, column 1, 2, and 3. Column 1, okay, refer to the document. Okay, so this is your row bedroom. Now, here is add one more row and name it as row switch. Here are like each column, what all the design elements you have to use and what are the properties. Everything is mentioned right here. So let's discuss column 1. Column 1 has an image. The image that has the GIF of the tube light, and refer to the other properties and make your changes accordingly. Then it has the switch component. Again, this is the switch component that they are supposed to use. So switch component, make sure you tell them to refer to the hint. So there is a hint which is telling us that what all is supposed to be true and what all is supposed to be false. So they're supposed to follow that. Then once column 1 is created, students can simply duplicate it to create column 2 and column 3 and make the changes as per the document for the other two columns with the images and other properties. After row switch, we have another row which is renamed as row usage. So row usage has two labels. One is label energy bedroom, the other one is label unit. Let's see. Okay, so this is your row switch. These are the two labels it is talking about. So make sure you copy the pixels, the hex code, everything that has been mentioned accordingly. Then once the row usage is done, then we have a button element which is renamed as button check usage. Refer to the document and it says add a button, change its text to check usage with the background color of the button as here is the hex code for the background color. Okay, and the font color as well. So you have all the information in the document. So this is how screen 1 is supposed to be designed, and this is how it is supposed to look. Then you will then the student is supposed to design the second screen, which is renamed as screen final. So it says add another screen and rename it as screen final. So students should know they can click on the plus option right here and can open a blank screen and can start designing. Now the screen final will have a row which is renamed as row display. Row display has two labels, label final consumption and label units. Let's check the document. So after the screen is added, add two labels inside the row display. Okay, and here is the rest of the information, how you're going to change the properties for the row. Then we have to move ahead and we have to add a button element which is renamed as button back. You will make the changes with the properties as mentioned in the document for the button. So it says add a button, change its name to button back and change its text to go back. Okay, that is all you have to do for the final screen. Students can click on the live test option to see how the final look of the bedroom app is created. And then once they are done with the checking with the help of the live test, either they can copy this link or they can click on the share option, generate a link and copy the link, and they can submit in the submission box. So that is all we have to do for this project. Thank you.